more attention, and yeah, we'll get started.
Hi, my name is Deion Sanders. I was born August 9, 1967 in Fort Myers, Florida. I was a two-time All-American player for Florida State University. I also ran track, played baseball, played football at Florida State University. I was a two-time Super Bowl winner with the San Francisco and Dallas Cowboys. I also played one season with the Washington Redskins. I retired in 1993. I coach football for little kids. So when you see me, just call me prime time, baby. I'm alive and I'm still young. Push through it and you can do it. Peace out.
Super Bowl. My musical career was R&B, pop, soul, and gospel. My associate acts are Cissy Houston, Jermaine Jackson, Aretha Franklin, and Bobby Brown. I am known for singing and I want to dance with somebody else. Anything's possible.
I was born in Dorchester County in Maryland, 1820. I was born into slavery. When I was a child, a slave supervisor messed up my skull by making it with the metal weight. I have been suffering with many blackouts. When I became an adult, I married John Tubman. We had no children. Later, I established a home called Tubman Home. It was home to the elderly and needy African Americans. Everybody remember me for helping slaves escape by using the Underground Railroad. The Underground Railroad is a secret network of safe houses where runaway slaves could stay on their journey to freedom. While I was staying in my home, I died on March 10, 1913. Put your mind to it and you can do it.
My name is Mandisa Lynn Huntley. I was born on October 2nd, 1976. I am an American gospel singer and placed 9th place in American Idol in 2006. I am best known for my songs Overcomer and Good Morning. Remember, anything is possible.
Hi, my name is Barack Obama. I was born in 1961 in Honolulu, Hawaii. My father was from Kenya and my mother is American. In 2009, I became the first African American president of the United States of America. I married Michelle Robinson, our current First Lady. You know her as Michelle Obama. I'm still serving my second term of President number 44.
Hi, my name is Michelle Obama. I'm the First Lady of the United States. I was born in Chicago, Illinois on January 17, 1964. I lived in a one-bedroom apartment and my older brother and I both learned to read at the age of 4 and we skipped second grade. Later, I went to the city's first high school for gifted kids. When I was older, I went to Princeton University and after that I went to Harvard Law School to earn my JD. As your 44th First Lady, I tried to encourage kids to eat healthy. Kids are always watching TV, playing video games, or on electronics, and that's not always good. I'm trying to change that because that's not always good for them, and that's what I'm working on. is Serena Williams. I was born on September 26, 1981 in Saginaw, Michigan, and grew up in Compton, California. I began tennis at 5 years old. I became professional at 14. In 1999, when I was 18, I won the U.S. Grand Slam. I'm the youngest son of 5 girls. I became the world's #1 tennis player on July 8, 2002. I'm the only female tennis player who has won over $50 million in prize money. I am now 32 years old, and I'm still happily playing tennis. Put your mind to it, you can do it.
Hi, my name is Bill Cosby. I was born in Philadelphia on July 12, 1937. I served in the U.S. Navy from 1956 to 1961. I was an author and TV producer. I starred in The Cosby Show. I was a co-star in a series called Fat Albert and the Cosby Kids. I played drums since I was a kid. I love to listen to Miles Davis and Darius Monk. I married Camille Hanks Jr., Camille Hanks Cosby. We had 1 son and 4 daughters. My son died while changing a tire on the Los Angeles freeway. I'm still alive today. Put your mind to it and you can do it.
Hello, I'm Oprah Winfrey. I was born January 29, 1954, to a teenage mother. I went to Tennessee State with a full scholarship. First, I lived with my grandmother where I learned to read at 3. When I was 6 years old, I was sent to live with my mother, where she found work as a housemaid. When I was 17, I was sent to live with my father, where I won the Miss Black Teen Beauty Pageant, offered an air job as a reporter, and a scholarship to Tennessee State University. I took the scholarship, and in 1976, I worked on a show called People Were Talking. And because it was high ratings in 1985, it was renamed The Oprah Winfrey Show. I also have my own television network, The Oprah Winfrey Network, which took place on Discovery Channel, and I just started The Butler. Put your mind to it and you can do it.
I am Kel Mitchell. I was born August 25th, 1978. I played Kel on Kenan and Kel. I also starred in Good Work. I am a comedian, dancer, and musician. I impact people's lives by making them laugh a lot and showing them how to have fun.
Hi, my name is Keenan Thompson. I was born on May 10, 1978. I played Keenan on Kenan and Kel. I also starred in Good Burger, Fat Albert, and my first film, The Almighty Ducks. I am very funny and amazing. I rank number 88 on VH1. Kel, grab a clown, a flagpole, and a submarine. Meet me in my room. Come on, Buffalo Bottoms.
Kenan, how am I supposed to carry out that stuff? Well, I guess I can put the clown and the flagpole inside the submarine, but it still seems rather difficult. Kenan, here it goes.
Anything is possible.
I left school early to record my debut album, Radio, which was hugely successful. My first speaking role was in the 1986 high school football comedy called Wildcats. I'm still alive today, I'm 45. I've done songs like Accidental Racist and Mama Said Knock You Out. Put your mind to it and you can do it!
To do a little surprise for our students, as for probably a month now, they have been constantly asking us how we are going to participate in the Black History Month. So now, since you guys have been asking me all day, and Miss Lucy, guys to figure out who we're going to be. So stay where you're at. We'll give you a show.
Samara Landry. We are best known for our roles on the 90s sitcom Sister Sister. We played twin African American sisters.
And you might recently know us in the movie Twitches off of the Disney Channel.